Hi everyone, welcome back to CunningCents. Today we're going to get into purchasing wax on Bittrex and transferring it into AtomicHub so you can purchase land claims and card packs and stuff for Splinterlands or Alien Worlds or whatever you're feeling. There's a bunch of games on the wax chain, which in and of itself requires a little bit more effort with. We have to stake some resources if you're running out of CPU or RAM. And you stake more, and then it gives you more resources, and then your activity on the chain takes priority. Now, I do use Bittrex. I feel like it's more secure than KuCoin, but I have purchased on both. Like I said in my Colonize Mars video, Bittrex, I don't know if they ran out of wax or what, but I couldn't withdraw the wax I had paid for in there, so I had to swap over to KuCoin. Bought it, transferred it, got verified, everything. It took 2 hours. That did mean that the 9 boxes I planned on buying for Colonize Mars ended up being 3, and the 3 didn't net me a whole lot, but it's all good. Still use Bittrex. I just verify that I'm going to be able to withdraw before and make sure that it's not under maintenance. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so I always start inside AtomicHub here. And just hit the plus sign right up here beside wax. And you can do it from the wallet or right off the exchange. I do it right off the exchange on Bittrex. I've done KuCoin as well. I like Bittrex more. I think it's a little bit more secure, but KuCoin's not bad either. But you click on the Bittrex link. If you're in the US like me, you're good to go. You can also click the link below in the description. I'll put my referral link for Bittrex in there. Right now, in Bittrex, wax is on a bit of a run. I guess it's not just Bittrex, but wax is now listed on Binance. And they announced that yesterday, and the price is just soared up 100 or so percent. We were about 21 cents yesterday, and we're at 38 cents per wax now. So I had a bunch of wax in AtomicHub, and I transferred it all out and sold it now. So accidentally doubled my wax that I had stored. So that's always a great thing to have happen to you. I went ahead and took the profits out and left, I think, like 1 wax and 2 wax. But it's pretty easy to purchase in here. You click on holdings. It'll show you everything that you have in here. I don't like storing stuff on the exchanges unless I have to. But after you get through identity verification, once your identity gets verified, you're able to purchase stuff with the debit card. $25, and then you click to enter your card info. After you get all your card info in there and get the USDT in your account, if you want it now, you can set a limit order if you want to try to play the market. I'll just do market value, 25 USDT, and then you hit place buy order. And I don't have funds in the wallet right now. I'm not going to buy any wax at the moment just because it's high. I think it's going to come back down and correct a little bit at least. But you hit place wax order and then wait, and it'll eventually hop back over into holdings. Now, the one thing I will say with Bittrex, which I've used as a warning before, don't buy it when you don't buy the wax like when you absolutely need it. I guess there's so few places that sell the wax. I think that they run out of wax and then have to buy more themselves. Because as you can see, like occasionally some things go into deposit that you can't deposit or withdraw specific cryptocurrencies. I've ran into it before where you try to buy wax and it'll let you deposit it, but you can't withdraw the wax that you want to spend. So when that happens, you're just stuck. You have wax here, but you can't buy it. You can't transfer it out to use it to purchase anything. So if you wanted to immediately make sure that the withdrawal option does exist, when you look into it, they say that the wax chain is under maintenance, but that's never the case, because you can go onto another exchange, buy it, and transfer it. I think that they just run out. After that, you withdraw, and you put in your wallet address, the amount you want to withdraw. There's a 1 wax fee, which isn't that bad, and you have to make sure you put a memo. The wax chain requires memos for everything. I haven't lost anything yet, but I generally just put, you know, Bittrex or something like that on there, or what I'm purchasing it for, like land, and then your wallet address, and hit withdraw wax, and then the chain takes over, and it'll automatically populate right up here on AtomicHub if your wax wallet isn't. Purchase any of the land claims or cards you want, or packs, and then transfer them back. And I'll leave a link up above now for when to, or how to do the transfers there. If you have any issues or concerns or questions, feel free to comment on either video, and I'll do my best to give you a hand or point you in the right direction of someone that can. It is super exciting that wax is being listed on Binance and the price doubled overnight. I'm really excited about it. I had most of my wax still sitting on top in my wallet after my land sale, so I was able to take that land sale, nearly double it, because I did take some out beforehand, but I got at least 50% more on it. So and transfer that money back into other cryptos and reinvested it. I put some of it back into Splitterlands as a little bonus, so I'll be getting some more card packs now whenever the Chaos Legion comes out, which I'm super excited about. But all in all, transferring over to wax is pretty easy. I like games on the wax chain itself. The uses and managing the resources does get a little tedious and annoying, but all in all, it's not bad. Some people don't like games on wax. I like Ethereum in and of itself, but I don't like transacting on Ethereum. I thought the London fork might fix some of that. It doesn't seem to have. Transaction fees are still high, so maybe whenever it goes to proof of stake, it'll be better. We'll see. Right now, I just use Ethereum as more of an investment. I don't really get into any of the dApps on Ethereum. I like other chains more. But for gaming, NFT gaming specifically, I'm a big fan of AtomicHub and all the games that come out on wax. Now, Splinterlands isn't on wax, it's on Hive, but they do transactions and have a whole store available on the wax chain, so it works. Alright, well, enough of me rambling. Y'all have a great night, and been a pleasure talking to you.